In today's video, I'm going back to the basics, because before I dive into phishing, passwords, or data breaches, there's one thing I need to make clear. What is information security, and why does it matter to you? Let's break it down in simple words. Information security, or InfoSec, is the practice of protecting your personal and digital data from unauthorized access, misuse, or loss. Now imagine this. You're logged into Instagram, checking DMs and posting a story. Would you want someone else to log into your account and read your chats or delete your photos? Of course not, right? That's the whole point of information security. Keeping your digital life private and protected. It's not just for companies or tech people, it's for anyone who uses a phone, laptop, or internet. Let's be honest, most of us use online banking, shop from apps, save passwords in our browsers, or connect to public Wi-Fi at cafes. These things make life easier, but also open the door to risks like account hacks, stolen data, and scams. For example, if someone sends you a fake link pretending to be from Instagram support and you click it, boom, your login details are gone. And yes, this actually happens to thousands of people every day. The good news, you don't need to be an expert to stay protected, just by learning simple habits. Like using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding suspicious links, you're already ahead of most users. That's why this playlist exists, to help you build awareness and take control of your digital safety step by step. So now, InfoSec. Simply put, it's all about protecting your digital data from hackers, viruses, and anyone out there who shouldn't have access. So, how do I keep my account safe? It starts with a strong password. Here's what not to do. Don't use your name, birthday, or 123456. And definitely don't reuse the same password across different apps or websites. A strong password mixes it up. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Something like SMPLEP at SS92#X. But honestly, who can remember all that? That's why I recommend using a password manager to store everything securely. Now, let's add another safety net. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Even with the world's strongest password, you need a second layer. With 2FA, logging in sends a one-time code to your phone or email. So, even if someone steals your password, they're still locked out. Most apps, Instagram, Gmail, Facebook, you name it, they all support 2FA. Just head to your account settings and turn it on. It literally takes 1 minute and could save you from a major headache. But hackers are sneaky. They love using fake links to steal your data. Before clicking, ask yourself, does this URL look off? Is the message from someone I don't know? Are they trying to rush me, like, your account will be deleted in 24 hours? Pro tip, hover over the link to see where it really goes. And when in doubt, just don't click. So, to wrap it up, information security is all about protecting your digital life. Use strong, unique passwords. Always enable two-factor authentication. And think twice before clicking any links. These small habits can protect you from big problems. Information security is all about protecting your digital self in a world where everything is online. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, and keep watching the playlist for more short, clear videos on how to protect your online presence.